From the Bob Mills Weather Center, the Oklahoma weather expert, David Payne.
Don't you just love it?
Waiting on the snow to come?
Forecasting snow.
Well, you get new data coming in, and you have a lot of models you're looking at.
A lot, and I'll be up till probably 3 in the morning, maybe drinking heavily.
And no, there's going to be new data coming out tomorrow.
No, I'm kidding, totally kidding. Yeah, you know what's crazy? Some of the data is still gangbusters for Sunday night. Other data is like, we get a lot of rain. But some data is like, I don't know, maybe we're not quite so cold. But I still think we'll have snow. I really do. Okay. I think we're going to be cold enough.
And the
February.
areas that are getting it, that's kind of changing a little bit too.
It is. And I think it's going to be still heaviest out west, but I've kind of upped the totals out there just a little bit. So,
all right.
Hang on, let's do it. Take a look at it, and here's what we're talking about. So again, a wet storm, near record precip amounts coming up with this system. Lots of rain. We'll take all that, half an inch, maybe an inch. Some areas might see a little more than that. So that's a good thing, right? Our drought is basically gone, and we're just going to keep the moisture coming. The question is, how cold are we, okay, for the event? 34 degrees, 35 degrees won't cut it. We got to get down to that 32 or 33. And when do we change from rain over to snow? Some data says in Oklahoma City it's late Sunday morning. Other data says it's mid to late afternoon. I think it'll be late morning, close to noon, the way it looks. The ground is warm, so yes, the snow will melt as it falls, and then eventually the snow will get heavy enough that it overtakes the ground, right? But to how much is left in your yard? I'll show you what I'm thinking here coming up. But I think we'll have enough slush and obviously snow on the roads and a lot of slush and wet roads coming up to give us some travel problems for especially Sunday evening and Sunday night. Western Oklahoma, Sunday afternoon. All right, so 49 right now, south wind at 10, our humidity at 54%. Stepping out, well, it's cool, not cold, 40s and 50s. Remember, average low temperatures are in the upper 20s. All right, lows tonight, 30s and 40s. Okay, so yeah, cold, a south breeze, not a big deal. Let's talk about tomorrow. We'll do it again. Not as warm as today, more clouds, but still nice, mid to upper 60s. We'll have a gusty southwest wind, fire danger tomorrow, a little bit elevated. Gust of 40 out west tomorrow. Now tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, there will be a storm system swinging across. We will crank up some showers and storms into eastern Oklahoma. A few of those could be strong, actually potentially severe. Saturday, the beginning of the change happens. Highs in the 50s. Here comes the colder air, at least cooler air. You're thinking, okay. But see, we're not talking temperatures in the 20s or 30s Saturday. We're in the 50s. Now, Saturday afternoon, basically dry. This map, I think, will really go in effect for Saturday evening with light rain in the west, south, and southwest. And here in Oklahoma City, I think we just have basically a dry Saturday. Slight chance for showers late evening. Snow begins to break out in the Panhandle. And then Saturday night, this is overnight through Sunday morning. Here in Oklahoma City, we're going to wake up to rain Sunday morning, and then by mid to late morning, we should start to see rain mixed with snow. Then about noon or so into the afternoon, we'll change over to some snow. If this holds off and doesn't happen until the afternoon, a little bit later, our snow amounts are going to be a little bit less, right? So high Sunday, 33 in Oklahoma City. That's above freezing. So you're going to have melting going on, even though it's going to be snowing, it looks like. And then for Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, I think it's all snow, the way it looks right now, even some blowing snow. The wind's really going to pick up from the north. Gusts 35 to 40 miles per hour, and all snow as we get into Sunday overnight. So still thinking for the metro, 2, maybe 4 inches. A lot of this will be on the grassy areas, but still enough snow. If we see 2 inches, we're not going to have that many travel problems. The roads will be a little slushy. If we see 4 inches, we'll have a little more slush and more travel problems. But notice from Canadian County back out to the west, new data tonight continues to kind of bullseye western and southwestern Oklahoma right now. And as you move east, snow amounts are less. But I want to point out, this map is going to change in between now and Sunday. That storm is still 2,000 miles away. So if we get snow and that much snow in that zone, we're going to have some slick roads and travel issues late Sunday afternoon, especially Sunday evening and Sunday night into your Monday morning. So for Oklahoma City through Saturday evening, it's just a slight chance for a shower. And then rain moves in overnight. And then Sunday morning into the afternoon, we change over to some snow with a temperature of about 32, 33 degrees, okay? That's the way it looks. So we're close to getting just a lot of wet roads and snow on the grassy areas, but I think it'll be just heavy enough that we'll have some slush coming up. So Sunday night, overnight, it moves in, but when you get up Sunday morning, it will be raining. We change to that snow, and then we'll have more snow hanging around for Sunday night. Next week, hey, 40s and 50s and even a 60 by next Friday. Here we go. Carl, back to you.